Are you a brilliant mind held back by limitations? Do you possess exceptional business acumen but struggle to articulate your vision? Are you filled with innovative marketing strategies but lack the written word to capture them? Or perhaps you're a gifted content writer yearning to elevate your vocabulary and style. Worry not, AI is here to empower you. This course is for everyone who wants to tap into the power of generative AI to work smarter and more efficiently. We'll ditch the textbook jargon and dive into the exciting world of large language models and specifically our awesome friend Google Gemini. From creating killer content to analyzing data like a pro, Gemini's got your back. Need to decode what customers really want? Check. Brainstorm like a genius? Absolutely. Even writing code? Well, almost. And the secret sauce? Prompt engineering. Think of it as chatting with your AI assistant, but way cooler. By the end of this course, you'll master Google Gemini and prompt engineering. Ready to ditch the old ways and embrace limitless possibilities? Ready to move forward with innovation and tap into the full potential of AI to transform the way you work? Join us as we redefine possibilities and chart a new course of work with Google Gemini.